In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about creating an emergency food supply as a beginner. Storing food for emergencies can provide peace of mind knowing that you and your loved ones have something to eat in case of a disaster or unforeseen circumstances. First, let's talk about what types of food you should store. Aim for non-perishable foods that have a long shelf life, such as canned goods, dried fruits and vegetables, instant noodles, and granola bars. Make sure to also include foods that are high in protein, vitamins, and other essential nutrients. Now that you know what foods to store, it's important to know how to store them correctly. Keep your emergency food supply in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or heat. Make sure to rotate the food regularly so that nothing expires or goes bad. You can also invest in airtight containers, vacuum-sealed bags, or food-grade buckets to keep your food fresh for as long as possible. By following these tips, you can start building your own emergency food supply as a beginner. Remember to choose non-perishable foods that are high in nutrients, store them in a cool, dry place, and rotate them regularly to keep them fresh. With a little bit of planning and preparation, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you and your loved ones are covered in case of an emergency.